how to see who owns a Discord server. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more contents like this. So in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to see who owns a Discord server. Now let's dive right in. First, open the app and let's head over to the server you want to check. So I'll head to the general channel and then tap on general on the top, and here you'll see the members who are in this channel. The owner will be represented with the crown sign that you can see on the screen. You can know who is the server owner with this crown sign, but if it is not there, what you can do is contact with the admin to know who is the owner. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.